It's a 2018 GMC Terrain. This SUV will be the perfect fit for your family with power and efficiency and surprising cargo space. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features. Integrated navigation system with voice activation, power heated mirrors, dual zone climate control, driver and passenger front and seat mounted airbags, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, front heated bucket seats, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, trailer sway control, 4-wheel anti-lock disc brakes, and automatic transmission. GMC, it's not just a vehicle, it's a professional-grade tool. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
The deals won't get any better than they are every day at Ferguson Buick GMC. The customer service is great too. We are conveniently located off I-35 and West Robinson Street in Norman, Oklahoma.